what new innovations and technology would ZEISS have been exhibiting at MAC this week?
Yeah, hi Gio. Yeah, MAC 2020 for ZEISS this year was going to be very exciting. We had a number of new products that were, well, new to the UK from an exhibiting perspective, but at the same time we had something that was brand new that we were doing a soft launch on that hadn't been seen anywhere in the world before. The products that were new from an exhibiting standpoint were the new Contura. That's brand new, comes with a multi-sensor capability, so a very exciting product. The new Prismo Fortis, that's our high-end system, again comes with our mass multi-sensor capability. Excellent product. I strongly recommend people have a look at that. We had a digital corner whereby we were promoting all of our new digital platforms, falling in line with Industry 4.0. SRE Max, which is an X-ray system that owns itself to aerospace and casting manufacturing. Scanning electron microscopy, that was there as well, something we haven't shown before. And we also had our after-sales corner whereby we were presenting what we offer from a training perspective and so on and so forth. But the key for us was the brand new product.
The brand new product. They seem to be a little bit secretive with this, David. I'll come to that later. Now, at ZEISS, you are at the forefront of all innovations in technology. You've been going for a very long time. We've done, and we were really fortunate enough to do some fantastic technical corners on the Contura and the Prismo Fortis, which you can now find on the MTD CNC website. So please feel free and take a closer look. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty, David. Tell us about this new product.
Come on, Gio, you're not being fair here. I can't say too much, as you know, but what I can tell you is that it's an optical non-contact system. It fits perfectly within our existing portfolio. It has completely new optics, lenses, and a camera system, completely brand new. It runs with a piece of software called Neo, which is a 3D software perfectly suited for non-contact optical measurement. It comes with a suite of special features, not all of which I can go into, but one thing I can say is it's got an excellent automatic feature recognition option, which makes it an extremely efficient piece of equipment to use.
Now, you sound very excited about this piece of equipment. You certainly whet the appetite. When will people actually be able to find out more?
That particular piece of equipment, we're hoping to have the official launch towards the end of May. But that's an approximate date.
Well, it's David, as always, it's been an absolute pleasure. Thank you very much for the insight into some of the products that would have been at MAC this year.
Thank you very much.